Let me tell you about a dirty dealership, Toyota dealership. Shapen Toyota over in Marshall, Texas. They are unscrupulous, dishonest people. Maybe they're okay in the front where they sell, but they're not okay in the back where they try and gyp women or trick women into buying ridiculous stuff. This morning, Bev has a recall on her Toyota for the airbags. It's got them Takata airbags that kill people when they go off. So this morning, I drove over there with her in my truck, and she drove her car. And we went in there with a recall notice. And they saw me with her. And to replace airbags, free of charge. So they call Bev at lunch and tell her that the technician says he needs to do a brake fluid service. A battery cable had corrosion on it, that she needs windshield wipers, and she needs her electronic fuel injection system cleaned, and all that was going to cost $630-something.
God.
Oh, that's not all of it. They broke something on her dashboard and told her it was going to cost $230 to fix. So I called them, and I spoke to the service guy, and I said, do not do one thing to that car beyond replacing the airbags, and when you get that part that you broke fixed, you call us, and I'll come pick up the car. We're not paying for that, and you know it. And what a different attitude. I would not be a woman on this earth. What a
and then
dirty, what kind of men do that to women? What kind of men do that?
Well, then he had the gall to say, well, we'd be expecting the second.
Yeah, right.
More.
She's got another car, a Camry, that has similar things, airbags and a window motor under recall. He says, so can we expect a Camry tomorrow? And I said, I don't think so. Saturday, the car is supposed to be done. I said, you call me Saturday and I'll come pick the car up. What? I tell you, what dirty, dirty people. Dealerships, man. When this word gets out, you don't last long when you're a dirty dealership and you do stuff like that to people. Word gets out, and sooner or later you have to change your name, which is what happened to this dealership. They used to be Patterson Toyota, and just recently they changed to Shapen Toyota. And now I know why. They keep doing this kind of stuff to people, and the word gets out that they're crooks, especially when they're talking to naive women who don't know mechanics. Yeah, despicable. Anyway, saved her about $830-something frickin' dollars. Anyway, I'm gone.